What's going on, Briz? It's the hottest breed in the city, Hybrid, back with another one. Today we're doing popcorn, cooked versus microwave. This for them date nights, this for them Netflix and chill. Feel what I'm saying? Plugging you Briz up, I'm plugging you Briz up, letting you know which one's better. So let's go cook it up. Let's go cook it up. Then I'm gonna taste it, let you know what I think, which one suits the occasion best. Yeah, you already know. Let's go. So Briz, I got butter flavor. I got butter flavor for the microwave. And then I got these popcorns over here. I'm just gonna put salt on it, so salted flavor. Butter versus salted. Let's see who's gonna win. Fresh and ready. Let's get this one going. Breads, we done and dusted. I got my salted popcorn over here. I got the salted popcorn over here. I got the butter in this. Let's see which one's better. I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna start with the butter. I can't even smell butter. I can't even smell the butter, bro. Okay, anyway, it smells fresh though. Okay. This should taste nice. It tastes fresh. I like it. It does kind of taste plastic. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it kind of tastes like plastic, and I can't taste the butter. I can't taste butter. I'd have to put salt in here or put butter, more butter, because I cannot taste no butter, bro. Like, slightly, like out of 10, taste-wise with the butter, 1. It's nice though. Even though it do kind of taste like plastic, it's nice. That's the microwave. Now, let's taste these babies. These babies, I just put some salt in them. Let's see what's going on. Yes. This is so much better. It's so much fresher. Yo. It does not taste plastic at all. Like, salt, just enough salt. I don't like too much salt. Throw more salt in there if you like it. You know, throw whatever you want in there. This is amazing, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. It tastes way more fresher than that. I could eat this all day. I could eat this all day. You know, out of 10, that's a 10 out of 10. These brews, out of 10, I'll give this a 7 out of 10. I'll give that a 7 out of 10. For me, definitely go with this, bro. Definitely go with this. Make your own popcorn. Put the oil, let the oil heat up. Throw the popcorn in there. Let the popcorn do its thing. When you put the oil in, put it on 6 on the stove. Once it heats up and you can see those little waves, not too much, don't want it to burn. Once you can see those little waves, throw the popcorn in, take the heat from 6 to 4. Put the popcorn in there, close it up, let it pop. As soon as it slows down and you hear 1 or 2, take it off. Throw that shit in. You don't want it to burn, so don't wait till it stops completely unless you got the heat on like 1 or 2. Then you could get away with it. I've gotten away with it, but a few times. Do that, and you get this. You get this, mommy. This wins for me, yo. This wins for me. Shout out to all my Brits that's been streaming Love and Heartbreak. That's still streaming. Never official live performance. Appreciate it. New music on the way. New visuals on the way. Crossbred for life. Hottest Bridge in the city. You already know.